So I have like a general idea, but could you just sort of tell me what the bin is, that command, the command line? Like when you get the NCAR format?
Yeah, well, it's just a place where a bunch of files are stored.
So it's like your temporary trash can or whatever?
Yeah, no, that's trash can, because you actually want those things, but yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it just like stores a lot of crap that you want.
But it's just on that session that you're on? Like it doesn't save over from other sessions? Is that the right word?
Session. Well, it's like if we had folders, it would just be like a big folder of a bunch of different stuff. Basically.
Thank you.
Yeah.
More questions? Please.
When you're doing the pot car, do you have to pay attention to the order in which you put them in there? Or can you just throw them in there?
I'm actually not sure. I think you could just throw them in there, but I don't know if you're wrong. Because you're just combining those three files, so it doesn't. They all end up there anyway, so I don't see why it would make a difference.
Do you remember when we sorted the postcard.xyz?
Yeah.
Why do we do that?
I don't know. I don't know.
When-
I didn't include it. I was like, I don't know if it's actually necessary.
I'll give you a hint.
Okay.
So when we sort it, we put it in alphabetical order.
Okay.
Okay? So that's the postcard. We sort it and put it in order. So then when we do the potentials, the pot car, that probably should be in order too.
Hmm. Yeah, probably the same order. Okay, so that's probably not alphabetical.
It's reverse alphabet.
Oh, okay, so do it the other way around. Then you're good.
Yeah. So, if your postcard file was prepared not by yourself, but by a stranger,
Yeah.
if you stole it somewhere from untrustable source,
Yeah.
so if the author of the file was not organized researcher like Wendy, but some scattered person, how would you know in which order you need to prepare your podcast records?
Well, I think you can just sort it, right? You can just re-sort the file.
But if you are in a rush and you do not have time to sort, you have postcard, and you want to run a job immediately.
Okay, so you just look at it and see if it's alphabetical again.
Yes, yes. And what if it is not? What do you do?
You just cry.
That's the universal answer.
And then sort it.
Okay, so instead of sorting postcard, you can sort podcard. Can you bring up the line that Wendy was questioning? Yes. So here you show titanium, then oxygen, then hydrogen.
Mm-hmm.
It's not alphabetical.
Yeah, definitely not.
So it would work for the postcard that contains first a section of titanium, next section with oxygen.
Oh, okay.
Can you explain it to everyone?
Yeah, sure. So, like, basically the postcard and postcard just need to match in that way. So if the postcard isn't in order, then you just match whatever order it is in with these commands.
Good. Did anyone? Oh, please.
Oh, I just had a sort of curious question. So if the postcard is like a small section of titanium and then oxygen and then titanium again, will that never happen? Or if that does happen, then absolutely needs to be sorted?
It is a silly way to utilize plasma. Okay. Typically, you want to order all ions of the given type first, then other one. If you do like titanium oxygen, then your podcard file should also have records. Record for titanium, record for oxygen, then repeat. Make it like 100 times more. Let's go back to the slide we were talking about. Does anyone found any errors here? Would this work? If you prepare podcard this way and then start running job?
I mean, besides for the alphabetical order.
Besides alphabetical order, another error.
Cool.
So it's about CAT command. How many symbols of bigger did you use? 1 or 2? Yes, 2.
Do I need to?
What does it mean? What does it change?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Okay, let me answer the question myself because it could be critical. I wanted to prevent you from possible errors. So if you do have let's say you have file A that contains name team. File B contains just one word, say net. Team instead. If you do CAT A bigger podcast, what would be in the side podcast, in the file podcast? If you do more podcast, you will see what? Just team. No, let me do literally. Now let's do CAT B bigger quote car. What will be, and then we do more quote car. What will be? What will we get as an answer? Yes, you'll get just stem. And so the previous record will be erased. So it will not work. It means just funnel this file into this file. But if you want to append, to add together,
Oh my.
okay? If you do it this way, then the data will be accumulated. Okay?
That is pretty quick. Cool.
So, more questions to the speaker.
Well, so right now, only the hydrogen command in the last one is.
Exactly. Yes.
Interpreter file.
Yes.
Can you do the single greater than sign for the very first one? So you're creating the potcar file with the first one. So one greater than symbol is okay there.
Yes, if your model consists of single element.
Okay.
Last chance for questions. If no, let's thank Kevin once again.